The fifth generation of mobile communication networks. Every new generation of wireless technology gave us faster and more reliable phone and internet connections. In the 1980s, the first generation technology made communication via cell phone possible. The next generation, 2G, allowed for more efficient and secure phone calls, also introduced mobile text messaging. 3G gave us the smartphone era, and the 4G LTE gave us the high-speed connections that make possible to stream high-definition video on our phones. Why is 5G this important? 5G is the biggest improvement on our network type. Here we have 3G, 4G and 5G. You can see the big difference that 5G is bringing to us over the 4G that we are currently using. 5G will bring us three main benefits. First benefit, faster speeds. 5G will be faster 10 times than the current 4G LTE network. Second benefit, shorter delays. 5G should reduce this so-called latency, making it possible, for example, to watch a high-definition video with no delays or glitches. Increased connectivity. This means more people and more devices should be able to communicate at the same time. 5G Innovation Center achieved around 1 terabyte per second in a test environment. That's roughly 65,000 times faster than the typical 4G speeds. However, such speeds are unlikely to be replicated into the real world. In a real-world environment, maximum speed achieved is currently 2 gigabytes per second, which is still extremely impressive. 5G will improve our lives, not just with a higher internet speed, where you can download or watch your favorite movie, or you can have better gaming experience with less lag. 5G will bring us more economy. 5G will bring us better self-driving cars, better drones and better VR. In this video I focused about the speed, about the latency and how big upgrade 5G really is. And I told you some of the benefits that we will have, but those benefits and disadvantages we will see in the future what they really are. 5G is a brand new technology that is just starting, and I really hope that this technology is going to be a great one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will join me in my next video. Bye everybody.